Notice CP 504. Notice of intent to seize, levy your property or rights to your property. A lot of you are holding these letters right now because you felt you could deduct your life away and you did it wrong. And now you're getting these letters because your deductions were disallowed. There is a right way, a right legal way to do things. And if you need help, give us a call and we can help you. There is no need to go down that path and get in trouble. Getting these letters owing so much money? Give us a call. We can help you out. We'll fix it for you. And going forward, you never have to worry again because we got you.